Cops intercept alleged perpetrators of the robbery and attempted abduction. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A young man is awaiting to hear when he is to appear in court to answer to charges after cops intercepted a motor vehicle he was driving soon after it is alleged it was used in a robbery and abduction attempt in Portmore, St. Catherine 2 weeks ago. The accused man, Jordan Gregory, 23 years old, is of Independence City Gregory Park address in St. Catherine. He has been charged with robbery with aggravation and illegal possession of firearm. Reports from the police are that on March the 18th around 11:45 p.m., Gregory was the driver of a Nissan motor car that had two men on board which were armed with firearms. The occupants reportedly accosted a man on Cedar Avenue and robbed him of his iPhone, valued at 180,000 Jamaican dollars, the key for a Mark X motor car, and $10,000 cash. The police said that the gunman attempted to steal the Mark X motor car, but were unsuccessful. An attempt was also reportedly made to abduct the complainant. Police quickly responded and the Nissan motor car was intercepted along Portmore Toll Road. Two men ran from the vehicle, however Gregory was held. The police said that in a release this week. One submachine gun loaded with a magazine containing 3 9mm cartridges were allegedly found inside the trunk of the motor vehicle. Gregory was charged after he gave a caution statement to the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.